Before anything existed, before birds, sun, or mountains, there was only a deep, silent emptiness. Imagine a vast, dark space, still and waiting. God was there, his spirit hovering over the waters, ready to create. The universe was a blank canvas full of possibility. God had a plan to fill this emptiness with beauty, adventure, and love. He needed no tools, just his powerful voice. The silence was about to be broken by the first, most powerful words ever spoken. This was the moment before the first sunrise, the breath before the first song. God smiled, knowing what was coming. Darkness would soon become light, emptiness would become life. The universe leaned in to listen. On the first day God said, "Let there be light." Instantly, light burst forth, chasing away the darkness. He called the light day and the darkness night. The world's first morning and evening. Day 1, complete, and it was good. On the second day God separated the waters, creating a vast sky above and seas below. He called the space sky a beautiful ceiling for the world. Now there was room for life, order from chaos. Each step was a careful brushstroke from the master painter. The world was taking shape, no longer a dark, watery mess. The sky would hold rain for plants and be the stage for sun and moon. God was preparing every detail with love. 2 days in, the world had light to see by and a sky to dream under. A home was being built with the most powerful words in the universe. On the third day, God gathered the waters, letting dry ground appear. He called them land and seas. The earth was ready for life, so God said, "Let the land sprout with vegetation." Instantly, grasses, flowers, trees, and fruit burst forth, filling the world with color and scent. On the fourth day, God decorated the sky with lights, the sun for day, the moon for night. He scattered stars across the darkness, creating a cosmic clock to mark days and seasons. The sun warmed the earth, the moon glowed gently, and the stars sparkled like diamonds. Now the world had rhythm and beauty. The land was alive, the sky was bright, and everything was in perfect balance. God looked at his creation and saw that it was very good. The earth was no longer empty, it was a living masterpiece. Creation was unfolding just as he imagined. On the fifth day, God filled the seas with fish, and the sky with birds. Life exploded in color and sound. On the sixth day, he created animals for the land lions, giraffes, elephants, and every creature imaginable. Then, for his grand finale, God said, "Let us make mankind in our image." He formed Adam from the dust and breathed life into him, then made Eve as his companion, from Adam's rib. Humans were different, made to love, create, and care for the world. God gave them a beautiful garden as their home. After 6 days, God looked at everything he had made: light, sky, land, plants, animals, and people. It was not just good, it was very good. On the seventh day God rested, not because he was tired but to enjoy his creation and show us the value of rest. The world was a gift, a sign of God's love and creativity. Every day creation reminds us we are part of something wonderful. We are made by a God who loves us deeply. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more inspiring stories.